So this word is
Ear?
which means this word is
Beer?
no, it's bear. You don't see how it's because it's ear with a B. Bear. That's why. Which means this word would be
Baird?
no. Why would you think? It's bear with a D. Beard. Let's take a step back.
Okay.
This word is
Bear?
which means this word is
Fair?
no, it's fear. You don't see how ear with an F. Fear. Which means ear with a P would be
Peer?
no, it's pear. Remember bear? I guess I'm moving too fast. So ear with an H would be
It'd be hair?
no.
Here?
And then if you add a D,
Heard?
no, it's heard. You know, see how it's here with a D. Heard. Which means this word would be
Hurt?
no, it's heart. What would you think? Here with a T. Heart. You don't see how? No.